Andrea's Trini Kitchen, and today in my kitchen I've decided to make some Phulorie and sweet mango chutney, fried mango chutney in fact. So if you want to see how this is done, keep viewing. See you in a little bit. I'm going to be using a Phulorie mix. This is a Lion brand Phulorie mix, and it is from the island of Trinidad and Tobago. You know, I did make a Phulorie video, but when I just started my YouTube channel, the landscaping wasn't so good. So, you know, I said, let me just do over another Phulorie video. But today I'm going to be using Lion brand Phulorie mix. To this, I normally, the first time I use this Lion brand Phulorie mix, let me tell you something, I find it come out kind of just plain. And I like, when I eat my Phulorie, I like to see little specks of greens and reds and stuff like that in it, and I like to see a nice form Phulorie. So for this ingredient, for the ingredients I'm going to be using today, Lion brand Phulorie mix, I'm going to be using some cumin. I have 1/8 teaspoon of cumin here, right? Chopped scotch bonnet pepper. We call this Congo pepper in Trinidad. You can't get away with this. And you see this nice bright vibrant red color? It's going to bring out that sweetness in that Phulorie. I'm going to be using some garlic. I have 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to chop them real fine. And along with that I am going to add a packet of Fleshman's rapid rising yeast. And of course, 1 cup of water. And here I have some shadow beni. It is also known as culantro. You can pick this up in any Caribbean store if you're not in the islands. But if you're in the islands, you just go to your backyard and pick some shadow beni or culantro. I'm telling you, this has a real nice pungent sort of flavor. Alright? So, all we need is a bowl. Now, you don't want to be mixing your Phulorie in a kind of white plastic bowl, because you see the saffron here? It will stain up your bowl. So, you're looking for a nice clear bowl to mix your batter. Alright? So, let's start the video. To add 1 packet of instant Phulorie mix. And I'm going to add the saffron, the geera, the yeast, I'm going to chop up some shadow beni, and you want to chop this real fine. Also, scotch bonnet pepper, finely chopped also. For a teaspoon. You can't pay mass and pay powder in my kitchen. That pepper can really make you cough. You chop up some garlic, 2 cloves, you throw that inside here. Alright? And you toss it around with your hand. You toss it around with your hand, and you put just a little over 1 cup of water. You don't pour all one time, okay? You want to see how the consistency of this dough comes out. Oh, it smells good already. You take your hand and you massage the Phulorie mixture. This is how it should look. And you're going to leave it for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to come and show you how I am going to do the mango chutney. You know, chutney is a must-have in the island of Trinidad and Tobago. When you're eating stuff like Phulorie, you must have some chutney, right? And today I'm going to show you guys how to make a half-ripe mango chutney. You know, most people use the green mangoes, but I don't like to taste that bitterness when I'm eating my Phulorie. So I'm going to show you to make the use the half-ripe mangoes to make this Phulorie, right? And this mango is kind of soft. Alright, so we're going to see what's going on inside. Alright, so what you do, the first thing you do is to peel this mango. So you make sure you wash your mango properly and you peel it. Along with the pepper. Garlic. I'm trying to make this video as simple as possible for you guys. Shadow beni. Simple recipe. Mango chutney. Sweet mango chutney. And you want to add a little water to help with the blending. This is like half a cup of water. So you blend it until it has this sort of pureed sort of texture. This is what you call mango chutney. You understand? This is what you call mango chutney, folks. So now I'm going to add some sugar to it. Some cumin or geera. And you combine it together. You incorporate all those flavors with the spices and the herbs. Just put a small amount of oil. Your Phulorie is going to come out flat. Right? So you want sufficient oil in your pot and you want the oil to be hot and nice. So now you have a little bowl with water and you have your Phulorie mix here. Right? So what you do, you take your hand, you dip it into that bowl with the water. Drop one. Drop two. Look at them. Look at the beautiful Phulorie they're popping up. Trinidad and Tobago style Phulorie, guys. Made from Andrea Trinny's kitchen. And you see all the little specks of shadow beni and pepper. That Congo pepper. You see how they're popping over? That is how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to pop over like that. When it pop over, you know it's cooked. You understand? You want to fill up all the little spaces that have there. Don't worry, just move around. They love to dance it just like carnival, you know. People they like to whine and carry on bad inside a pot. Just like Trinnies. Okay guys, this is the end product of my Phulorie and it came out fabulous, really fabulous. Alright, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. Look at it. You're seeing all that green seasoning. Look at it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to dip some chutney, some mango chutney, and take a little taste of it. Oh my God. This thing is so delicious. Guys, I want you to try this recipe and tell me how it came out. Right? Like my videos, comment, share with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my beautiful channel. This is your girl Andrea. See you again with another great video. Bye.